Hey, small business owners. This video is dedicated for all the lovely, energetic, passionate small business out there. Yes, that's you. I'm a small business owner myself, so I know how much hard hustle and creativity we pour into what we do. I create customized artwork, and my goal is to serve clients and understand their imagination and bring it into life, literally. When I started, I mostly relied on WhatsApp or Instagram. It was simple, visual, and helped me to connect with customers directly. I posted my artwork, people would message me, and then place order. Super easy until it wasn't. In 2023, I remember things started to shift a little bit. More people wanted to place an order, but my posts on Instagram weren't organized. So I started receiving request of customers that please send me a catalog. The problem was that I have created tons of customized artworks and I posted it on Instagram randomly, and people are not understanding what products I sell and what I do. So they wanted a catalog for that purpose. And for me, sending a PDF is too much of work, editing, storage, and who's going to download it again and again because I'm going to keep updating it, right? So I had to come up with some solution for this thing. That's when I thought that website would be a great option, a place where I can showcase my bestsellers, update them anytime, and make it easier for people to browse and make them understand what I exactly offer to sell. Let's be real, in 2025, having a website is a must, especially for handmade artists and small business owners like you and me. Reason is pretty simple. As a small business owner, we often avoid having a physical shop. Uh, in 2025, it's not even practical because customers often buy online, and then we are going to rent a shop. Renting is expensive, and even if you are setting up a stall, it's not bringing a footfall of buying audience as much as it used to be before 2020. I personally have felt like that. But a website makes you look professional, expands your reach, serves as a 24/7 portfolio. A simple portfolio website adds so much value to your work. Even if you don't want to sell online directly, it makes a huge difference. Now, I know what you are thinking. I cannot afford a website developer. I thought the same, but guess what? I made a website by myself. What I did, I just hired an online tutor. I learned how to make a website, basics of website, and I made it myself. If I can do it, you can do it easily. My personal website, I made with the hosting a builder plan. Before choosing the website hosting the plans and all, I had a research. I YouTube some videos, and I found that this one is the easiest, so I'm gonna go with this one. And personally, I have generated leads from this website. Krishna was sold a lot, and other artworks also people have seen my website and then placed orders. So it has actually helped me. So I hope that it helps you too. So basically, there are two types of website. One is coding. This one requires a technical and programming knowledge. And second one is non-coding. Anyone like a beginner who has no technical skills can make a website by themselves. Now, with hosting a website builder plan, there are two ways to make a website. First one is hosting a website builder, a simple drag and drop builder, perfect for someone who wants to start quickly and has no technical skills. Second one is WordPress with hosting. Now, initially, if you have used hosting a website builder, it will be a little difficult for you to understand because there is plugin and some technical skills you need to understand. However, once you get a hang of it, it will be super duper easy. So don't worry. Now there are plenty of videos on YouTube which are beginner friendly, which can help you learn how to make a website from scratch. Now you are free to explore my website, which I have made entirely on Hostinger. I will mention the link in the description. Plus, I have added a link in the description related to Hostinger, which allows you to get a discount plus a free domain, and not only that, but 30 days free trial period. So it's like a free trial period. So just go and test it out. That's it for this video. Until then, keep dreaming, making some beautiful things as a small business owner. Bye for now. Bye bye.